Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can fix Fortnite crash on PC. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is simply open the File Explorer on your PC and navigate to the disk where your Windows is installed. Usually it is the disk C, but if it is not in your case, you can just access the target disk. Once you are here, open the Program Files folder, then locate Epic Games, and then open the Fortnite folder inside it. Now, go to Fortnite game, then Binaries, and then Win64. Here, make sure to access the Easy Anti-Cheat folder with Kamu written at the end of it. Don't confuse it with the other one, so just open it up and run the setup file. Now, repair the app and finish the process. Once done, go back one step, open the Battle Eye folder and uninstall it. Once uninstalled, install it again using the setup above. But make sure you run both of them as an admin, or you may encounter some errors. Now, open Run, type in app data, then access the hidden local folder. Here, locate Fortnite, then saved, and then delete all of the log files inside the logs folder. These are the crash logs, so make sure to delete them permanently, and that's it. That's how you can fix Fortnite crash on PC. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.